Huh. I don't think there's supposed to be water there. Or there. Or there. Or there. Or there. Anywhere. Hey, welcome back to the BIBSTER'S Repair Shop. Can't even talk. BIBSTER'S Repair Shop. I just totally screwed that up. Yeah. We're thawing. It's nicer weather out, but yeah, it thaws. So basically what happens is the alley doesn't really ever get that plowed, so the water doesn't have anywhere to go when it thaws this fast. So it kind of just runs to the lowest spot, which a lot of it is right there. So luckily, the way my backyard's set up, I can drain it into my backyard and it's fine because it's lower than what the garage sits up. But yeah, I thought I'm trying to do more videos this week, so I thought I'd bring you along. Last night we talked about it a little bit, but I got to run and get some more kerosene, so I'm trying to get my kerosene heater going so I can run the heat and heat it up in here enough so that way it'll all melt. I think I got it clean. We won't do this again tomorrow, but I mean, it's like the entire floor is zero fun. All right, we're gonna go on a road trip. Let's go. All right, I'm back in the truck, head across the Mississippi. Oh, just kind of sucks that it's like the weather's finally nice, and then you got to deal with fun in the sun. What are you going to do? I mean, it's getting nicer out. The water's starting to open up a little bit more. We're going to be out testing the water before you know it. I'm excited. But yeah, it's just... said I know what happened last year, but that last year I didn't have anything going on in the garage. It wasn't until this year when I got laid off that I started wrenching on tractors in there, and then I went back to work. I just kept doing it, and that's when I started the channel. Well, so I kind of forgot. I know last year at one point, before this, I wouldn't go out to the garage all that often. And I walked out there at one point, and it was, all of a sudden there was a big sheet of ice in the middle of it. Well, the same thing had happened. Well, this time we're trying to work on it, and I opened the door last Saturday when I had the tractor out. And so when I closed the door, I knew that it had closed on some snow, but I was like, it's fine, I'll take care of it. Well, let's say, didn't get it done, and now, so that's what also didn't help. The garage door was kind of, there was a chunk of it that wasn't all the way closed down, so we'll see. We had kind of a quicker video tonight, but, so probably no actual wrenching, just me shoveling and trying to get most of the standing water out there. I don't know if you kind of saw in the video, the ice kind of formed because the floor is so cold, so it's kind of frozen up on the floor where it stopped. So I'm getting that all. That's why I'm gonna get the kerosene. Because my plan is I'm gonna run my little kerosene heater in my fan that blows the air back down on the ground and try and heat that concrete up enough tonight. Because the other problem too is that it's a French drain in there, and that drain, the ground's all froze underneath that, so it's not letting anything out. So hopefully if I get at it tonight, I'll get it taken care of, and I won't have to deal with this, and I'll be able to have a dry floor in a day or two. So all right, I'll better let you go. I'll be back. Well, got a bunch outside. Tried to clear that all off in the driveway. I was gonna take you out there, but it's dark. It's hard to see anything, so. Hopefully, I got enough off the driveway that it'll melt more tomorrow, but hopefully it won't melt enough to come back in here. Still got tons of water in here, but I got the heat going now, so I'm gonna let it kind of try and hopefully melt and work on some of this ice. But yeah, so no tractor work tonight, and being Tuesday, be a couple days off, and reality, as frustrating as it is, trying to get anything done now, probably take a couple days off and figure things out. Probably go try and find a new project. So, no, probably won't have any luck in that, but I'll look for a new project. But yeah, so do all the things you know what to do. Thanks for checking it out. Sorry, it's kind of a bummer of a video. I thought, I don't know, at least if I was making a video while doing this, it would at least have some payoff in the end. Like, oh, hey, I put a video out of raw misery. Woo! Exciting times. Did y'all like the governor video last night? I thought that was fun. That was a fun time. So, we'll, yeah, pump was sitting almost in the water, so I got that pulled up and everything else kind of out of the way. But, yeah, we're gonna shut things down. You'll see this, and hopefully the water situation is sort of been fixed. We'll probably still have to deal with this for a couple more days, but we'll be back at it soon. Don't you worry. All right, like and subscribe. You know what to do. Bye.